Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Class 2 trailer tow package, as well as the technology package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice rear park sensing. You do have that nice tow hitch, backup camera of course, and you can lift up the glass here for easy access to your cargo, which is always nice. We do have a roof rack for all your cargo necessities, blind spot detection of course, and moving to the front, we do have that nice Bronco grill. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. And taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space. And of course, you can always fold these down for more. These do connect up to here, so you can have a cargo tray, which is pretty nice. You have the lights, you have little hooks all around the back, storage spots, nice 12-volt outlet. And this does lift up for extra storage space with the spare tire. And taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this gray cloth and brown and black leathering, which is a pretty nice color. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you do have cup holders and some arm space. You do have a USB, USB-C, and a 110-volt outlet back there, as well as plenty of door space and some nice brown accents on the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see that we do have electric chairs, as well as the nice Bronco logo on the seats with the same materials we saw in the back there. Plenty of cargo space in the door, that nice brown accents, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your trunk opener as well as your lights right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 11.8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel. You do have your toggle for your screen there, voice, phone, media, volume and mute, and your cruise controls there. Now looking at your main screen here, you can go through the select screens, which you can select through all of these: audio, phone, and other settings. Now looking over here, you do have your gear shift, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, storage, USB and USB-C, and a nice 12-volt right there. Parking brake, goat modes, a nice brown leather center console with a fair bit of storage with another USB and USB-C. And for your goat modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. And continue your look here. You do have these nice brown accents around the dash, your engine start, storage of here, auto stop, auto start, hazards, tune, volume, so on and so forth. And above me you do have a garage door opener, which is pretty handy, and your infotainment system right here, which does have what station you're currently on, a compass, and phone. We also have Sirius XM capabilities, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Your phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, Wi-Fi, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE56915, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.